how to make Discord use less RAM on PC. So if you want to make Discord use less RAM on your PC, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Discord application at first. After opening your Discord, make sure that you've logged into your account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the user settings, which is on the bottom left. And from the user settings, you need to just go with appearance, which is here under the app settings. And here you will have sync profile themes. But if you don't find that option, it may be under accessibility. You need to go with accessibility, and here you need to just scroll down and you will find sync profile themes. You will have this option. Now disable this option and then go with reduced motion. You will have reduced motion right here. If you don't like GIFs and animated emojis, turn these off as well. Now switch to voice and video tab. Just scroll down, go with voice and video, scroll down and then come to the advanced section. And under advanced, you may have an option of Open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco system. Make sure to turn that on. This will make your GPU handle the video decoding and eat away your CPU. So once you're under your voice and video, you need to just scroll down, come to the advanced section, and here you will have an option of Open H.264 video codec provided by Cisco system and hardware acceleration. Once you find your hardware acceleration and the other option, you need to just simply go and turn these two on. It might be under your video section. So under your video section, under advanced, you will have these two options. You need to go and turn these options. This will make your GPU handle the video decoding and eat away your CPU or RAM. Then disable the AV1 video codec if your computer does not support it. After that, scroll a little bit down and disable echo cancellation, which might be under your voice section. Here you need to just go with echo cancellation and disable it. And under noise suppression, you can go and disable that also and scroll all the way down and you will have an option of debugging. You need to toggle off the debugging and then click on OK. Now Discord should restart. After it opens, you need to just go with the settings again. And under your settings, you need to scroll down and you'll have the advanced section. Go with advanced and here you will have your developer mode. Just turn off your developer mode. This will save tons of RAM. Now scroll down a little from the left side menu and click on the game overlay. Next, toggle off in-game overlay from here, and that's it. And in this way, you'll be able to make Discord use less RAM on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.